So the next thing we're going to do now is to take our tax interview. So we'll just click on tax information and then have that open as we go through the entire process of taking a tax interview to be able to complete this Amazon account setup and then begin to have our books published on the platform. So right here, this is where you are going to take your tax interview. If your language is not English, of course you will choose the language that we're going to go with English. And then what is your tax classification? That is individual, not business. Are you a United States client or permanent resident? Of course, no. Our answer there is no, so we'll click on no. If yours is yes, you can click on yes. Ours is no. Once you click on no, another is asking you, are you acting as an intermediary agent? Of course, we are not. So we're just going to click on no and continue with the next. And then more information will be populated for us. We need to include in our full name. We will do that. And then we also need to pick our country of citizenship. Ours is Nigeria. We'll just click on the drop down menu and then locate Nigeria and pick that as we continue. And then they will ask for a permanent address, which we have already added above. So definitely we may not need to add it again. And all those details are there. And even for our mailing address, of course, we have clicked same as above. And all of that are right there already. And here is the very important point where they ask you for your tax identification number. And here, even if you add a tax identification number, you will still be charged 30% tax. So it's better to put that off. That's instead of saying you have a non-US tax, you just take that off. And then go with the options that are below here. Just pick the option of number, the third option there, and click on continue. And since Nigeria does not have any treaty with the US, you will be charged 30% tax. So if you make $100, they are going to be charging you $30 and be paying you $170. And then you go through the entire thing there and come down to tick the box there to certify that all that you have information you have provided above are okay, and then you will sign. And how to sign is simply to put in your full name. Once you put in your full name there, and that becomes your signature. So like I mentioned before, like since Nigeria does not share a tax treaty with the US, our tax deduction is about 30%. So if you make $100 on the Amazon platform, they are going to be deducting $30 and giving you $70. So save and preview. And of course, this is the form. So you just go through all the information that you wrote down there are already populated there for you to see. So you just go through everything and then you will exit the tax interview. So just click on submit form after you've gone through all of that, except you want to make changes. Here you can see that you have been validated, and you will see applicable withholding rate is 30%. That is just what I've explained, that Amazon will keep 30% of all your earnings. And then you can click on exit interview, and you will see that you are done with the entire process of setting up your Amazon account ready for publishing. So if you go through all of that information, you see that everything is all set up. We have our account set up, and we have our tax interview completed, and you just click on save to move through the next stage. And once you click on save, you are done with the process. You can come back and click on bookshelf, and you will see that the information that was displaying before is no longer there. And for us to be sure that this is no longer there and everything is working fine, you just click on create. You'll see that now you have the opportunity to publish your Kindle books, your paperback, your hardcover, and then even to create a series. So we're just going to test that out a little bit to see. So just click on Kindle and see that create book, an ebook. So the option is going to open, which is going to tell you that you have the opportunity to now upload your book. So this is the stage where we're going to be uploading all our books to the Amazon platform. When we get to this stage, I will also guide you step by step on what to do. But right now, we have successfully completed the account setup. So thank you very much and see you in our next videos.